We've got most of our area included in the severe thunderstorm watch. That's all of our counties highlighted in yellow until 10 o'clock tonight. And our main concern with any storms that could develop as we work our way into the evening will be damaging wind gusts and hail. Notice here counties highlighted in this red. We've got Spotsylvania County and points farther north up towards D.C. This is a tornado watch until 10. So there's some spin in the atmosphere farther to the north. We still, though, can't rule out perhaps an isolated tornado warning for our area that we'll be watching closely as we work our way into the evening. Right now, it's been quiet, and it's been quiet this afternoon, hoping that some of these clouds will limit the amount of strong to severe storms that we could end up seeing. You can see a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings and a tornado warning. This is Northern Virginia. It's tracking east, so I think it's just going to stay right outside of our area. A couple of downpours in Albemarle County and also one that's just about to enter Buckingham County with some heavy rain just to the south of Lovingston. We'll watch that. Not severe warned at this point, and just some scattered, mainly light showers in the northern neck from Northumberland County, Lancaster County, and this is all tracking into the bay. I'll show you the latest hour by hour and what we could end up seeing tonight here in less than 10 minutes. Kurt, Jasmine, are closely as we head our way into the evening. It's been fairly quiet so far today, and hopefully some of these clouds will help limit the amount of storm coverage that we could end up seeing. But we will watch it closely. We'll start here towards our northwest. We've got a cluster here of severe warned storms. Within that storm, we've got a tornado warning. This goes until 6 o'clock, includes areas like Culpeper, Madison County, and once it reaches Orange County, that'll be close to the 6 o'clock hour. So we'll watch to see if those hold together. So first alert to Orange County at the top of the hour. As we head towards our west, Nelson County, we've got a strong storm, one lightning strike, just some heavy rain that's tracking east into the westernmost side of Buckingham County right now. And then towards our east, these are just showers, nothing severe. They're scattered throughout the northern neck from Northumberland County, a couple of showers in Richmond County. Also looking at several showers in Lancaster County, even close to the shoreline just about in Middlesex and Matthews County. All of that is tracking closer to the bay. And we've got one lone downpour here that's just about to make its way into Alberta in Brunswick County. Again, non-severe, just a decent downpour. Temperature-wise, low 80s for most of us. It's muggy. So as we watch that potential for storms really over the next several hours, they will contain some very heavy rain. We will watch the potential for damaging wind gusts and hail contained with any of these thunderstorms, and we can't rule out also an isolated tornado. So that's something that we'll watch closely. 9 o'clock here really focused east of I-95, and then once we get to about the 10 o'clock hour, the severe threat diminishes, and we should really be looking at a much quieter picture late tonight. First Alert weather app, great tool to have. Any notification will go right to the palm of your hand. As far as temperatures, will be in the mid-70s by about 9, and then overnight, so look for temperatures to fall into the upper 60s. Tomorrow, a little drop in humidity, it looks like, during the afternoon. We'll be in the mid, if not upper 80s for some of us. We included just a stray shower or downpour, really mid to late afternoon into the early evening. Most of us look dry throughout the day tomorrow, and then the remainder of the week, everyone looks dry. Thursday and Friday, we've got high temperatures in the mid-80s, mornings mid-60s. Now looking fairly quiet, a lot of clouds across the entire area. Some showers towards our far eastern counties. We've got a shower entering the westernmost side of Buckingham. We're watching this cluster of severe storms that's tracking to the southeast. That could potentially impact our counties like Orange by about the top of the 6 o'clock hour, if not Louisa and Spotsylvania as well as we approach the next hour. So something we're watching. A reminder, everyone highlighted in yellow, we've got a severe thunderstorm watch until 10. Areas highlighted in this red, Spotsylvania County up towards D.C. included in a tornado watch. We'll also have the latest look at the radar and a look at the hour by hour as well when you join him for the news at 5:30. Jasmine? West, and that's where we have a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings. One in which does have the potential to produce a tornado, and that does include the very northeastern corner of Orange County, and then also includes the northern part of Spotsylvania County. That's the red box you see here. And this warning goes until 6:15, and it's moving to the southeast at about 35 miles per hour. So if that were to hold together, it would skirt right over the city of Fredericksburg at 6:18 and then potentially into Caroline County by 6:49 into Fort A.P. Hill, with the very least damaging wind gusts upwards of 60 miles per hour possible with the leading edge of this. Take a look at all of that lightning that is moving through Culpeper County. And again, that'll move into the northernmost parts of Spotsylvania County. Rotation not really impressive here. Winds at this point would be the impressive part, 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Also want to turn your focus to the south of the city of Richmond. This is just over the James River, Manchester here. Bon Air is right here. This is to the south of Bon Air. We've got a heavy downpour, one lightning strike now. So turning into a strong storm in the northernmost part of Chesterfield County, non-severe, but dumping quite a bit of rain. And as we work our way through the evening tonight, we will watch the potential for a few strong to severe storms. Most of our area included in the severe thunderstorm watch until 10 tonight. Tornado watch for Spotsylvania County, Stafford up towards DC also until 10 tonight. I'll walk you through the latest hour by hour in more detail coming up here in less than 10 minutes. Kurt, First Alert Doppler radar hoping these clouds that we've had throughout the afternoon really limits the amount of storm potential that we could have as we work our way through the evening. But we're really focusing up towards our north and northwest. These storms have been holding together, strong to severe at times. The good news is the tornado warning that was associated with this strong storm has since expired, but it is still a strong storm producing very heavy rain. You can see a cluster here of lightning moving into the northernmost part of Spotsylvania County, headed right towards Fredericksburg, and it's moving to the really east to southeast at about 30 to 35 miles per hour. So if this holds together, a strong storm right now, it would move into Caroline County by about 7:04 for Fort A.P. Hill. So we'll watch this storm as it tracks towards the east and southeast. Behind that one, we've also got a severe thunderstorm warning for a storm in Madison County that's tracking to the southeast. So we'll watch for that as it makes its way closer to Orange County within the next hour. South of Richmond, we've got a strong storm, non-severe, but it's producing some very heavy rain. You can see a lot of lightning around Chester, and this has been slowly moving to the east, very close to Hopewell, the westernmost side of Charles City County, a couple of downpours in the northernmost part of Prince George County, in the east end, right along 295 there to the south of Varina, seeing some very heavy rain. And we'll keep the chance of a few strong to severe storms as we go 8, 9 o'clock tonight. That severe threat should diminish by 10 this evening, and a much quieter picture for everyone late tonight. And not everyone is going to see a storm tonight. Many of us will end up staying quiet, but where we do see that storm, it could be strong to severe. Damaging wind gusts and hail will be our main concern, but we can't rule out an isolated tornado as well over the next few hours. Temperature-wise, we'll be in the mid-70s tonight. We start tomorrow in the upper 60s. Quieter day, little drop in humidity tomorrow. We have just a stray shower chance mid to late afternoon into the early evening. As far as temperatures, we'll be in the mid and upper 80s. Just expired. It was extended to go until 11, and you can see all of our counties are in the clear now as far as any watches or warnings are concerned. These showers and storms, though, ongoing if you are one of our eastern counties, a couple of you, but really focused down towards southeastern Virginia the remainder of tonight. As we zoom in closer to our eastern county, Charles City County had 2 rounds of strong to severe storms, with just about all of the rain out of Charles City, but you're still hearing some rumbles of thunder with some scattered lightning strikes, especially in the easternmost side of the county. And that is moving across the James River into northern Surry County, and then still seeing some stronger storms just about making their way out of the Middle Peninsula and closer to Newport News, Hampton Roads, and really focused down towards Norfolk and into northeastern North Carolina. For the remainder of our night, those couple of showers and storms I showed you towards our east, they will diminish. We'll see clearing skies, a much quieter start for everyone tomorrow and throughout the day tomorrow. I'll have more details on the rest of the week coming up here in less than 10 minutes. Doppler radar still seeing some showers and storms, but really focused towards southeastern Virginia. If you are someone watching from our western counties west of I-95, you really lucked out today and tonight. So you had a generally quiet evening, but our counties to the east and northeast really had to contend with some strong to severe storms through a good portion of the night. And most of these showers and storms just about out of our area. We had the last of the strong storms just to make their way out of Charles City County, moving into Surry County with some very heavy rain. Still seeing some lightning strikes and some very heavy rain making their way closer to Isle of Wight. But the bulk of the showers and storms down towards southeastern Virginia and into northeastern North Carolina. Look at all of that lightning that's moving closer to the Outer Banks late tonight. So we did have a couple of storm reports from earlier this evening, where we had a severe thunderstorm warned storm that went through Spotsylvania County and continued into Caroline County. These were very close to Route 1. Numerous trees reported down, damage to a vehicle and a shed. And we also had reports of trees down on Route 2 near Long Branch Road. So some damage due to those storms earlier this evening. Other than that, we are looking at a much quieter picture overnight. Temperatures, they're in the low 70s from Tappahannock to New Kent. Richmond and Hanover both at 72 degrees. Petersburg 75. Crew, you're at 76 degrees. The showers and storms down towards Virginia Beach in southeastern Virginia should wrap up, I would say, by about 2 o'clock in the morning. And then by tomorrow morning's commute, no problems weather-wise. We're looking at a good amount of sunshine throughout the morning. I do think it'll mix with some clouds as we work our way into the afternoon. Look for temperatures early in the morning, upper 60s, and I think you'll notice a difference in the humidity tomorrow, especially as we go throughout the day. We'll have a north and northwesterly breeze. That'll bring in just a little bit more of some drier air, so it won't feel quite as muggy compared to today. Still very warm though. I've got the forecast at 87. And then the rest of the week's looking quiet. Sunshine Thursday and Friday. Any weekend plans? Saturday looks great. Outdoors, sunshine, upper 80s. Sunday, we've got a few storms for tonight. It was a muggy day today. You can certainly feel that. We had dew points in the 70s. Tomorrow, those dew points go into the 60s, so it won't have that muggy feel. It'll still be slightly humid, but improvements, not just tomorrow, but the rest of the week and into the start of the weekend before that humidity ramps right back up into the start of next week. We go back into that muggy category by Monday, and that's also when our storm chances increase as well early next week. As far as temperatures, average for late July, 89 degrees. We're a couple of degrees cooler than that through the weekend, but not too far away from average. We stay close to average to the middle of next week, and then we have a couple of 90-degree days. It looks